filthy deep. So this is all wind blown. This may be the spot we get to try our new strap. Going on, you guys? Griffin here with Country Slickers. We've got a cool new review for you guys today on this OPENROAD UTV / truck strap. So it's one of those bungee straps, so it extends a little bit whenever you're pulling. It's not going to strip out and put a whole bunch of force on your vehicle. It has a little bit of elasticity to it. Good to 20,000 pounds and good for pulling out trucks, side by sides, all of the above. Really good thing to keep in your emergency pack or have with you when you're out on the trail. But we're gonna give it a run today, see how it does. There's only about a foot of snow today, so I don't know if we're gonna get stuck, but if we do, we're gonna be using this strap to get ourselves out. And if you just take a quick look at the strap itself, so really nice fine fibers here. It comes with a nice carrying case, and then obviously these loops at the end are all protected as well. So if you are using it in on a side-by-side or a truck, you're not going to be cutting into it with your carabiners or with your U-bolts that you're going to be using to hold that on. So super nice strap. Hopefully we get out today and get a little bit stuck, and we'll give this thing a decent review. But see it.